Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by softening the adhesive so the number will release without tearing fabric. Heat from the front for 15-25 seconds, or use a heat gun in sweeping motions, because steady heat melts the glue evenly. Once warm, use tweezers to lift a corner. If it resists, reapply heat. Make sure to protect fabric with a towel inside the jersey and wear a glove. This prevents burns and keeps the layer flat while you begin peeling slowly. Now you're separating adhesive from fabric. Patience matters. Slide dental floss under the warmed edge and saw gently. This severs glue without stretching fibers. Once a flap forms, lift with tweezers and keep heat localized to loosen more glue, because prolonged high heat weakens fabric. If adhesive breaks, reheat that area for 10-15 seconds and continue. Make sure to keep the jersey taut over your hand or a flat surface. Stability prevents puckering as you extract the entire number. Final cleanup removes leftover adhesive and restores surface feel. Test a small hidden spot with adhesive remover or isopropyl alcohol, then dab and let sit briefly. This helps dissolve residue without bleaching. Gently scrape with a soft spatula, do not rub harshly, because aggressive scrubbing can fray fibers. Once residue is gone, wash the jersey on a gentle cold cycle and air dry. If any fabric damage occurs,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.